Welcome into the video. I am your tech guy Wayne, and today I'm going to show you how to take a screenshot on your new Pixel 9, and I'm going to show you how to print that along with how to print other things on your phone as well. Okay, let's open up Google Chrome. Let's say you want to take a screenshot of this case here because you want to purchase it later. You can simply swipe up and hold and then tap on the screenshot. There's a button right here that will allow you to take a screenshot just like that. You can tap on the pencil right after to then edit that screenshot. So there's a little bubble here, 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 and here. You simply drag up on that bubble and you can align exactly where the screenshot will save. So you're basically cropping it down. When you're done, simply in the upper left corner, you can hit save. You can hit the trash can if you decide you changed your mind, or you can hit the share button right here to share it out to someone. I'm simply going to save it. Here's the other method on how to take a screenshot. This is using the exterior buttons. Pick up your phone. You're going to hold down on the power and the volume down button, and you're going to hold them for 1 second, just like this. Power, volume down, hold, let it go. It will snap a screenshot that we can then select to make any edits. We have a few different options here. We have a notification. We can have this picture show up later as notification. We can edit it, crop it, write on it using this button, or we can share it directly here. Now that screenshot is going to get saved to multiple places. It will be saved to your Google Photos app right here, but it also will be saved in the new screenshot app called Screenshots. So I'm on the home screen. I'm just going to swipe up, go to Screenshots, and here's my screenshot. And from here, I can tap on that screenshot. I can add some notes. I can even attach a reminder to it. I can tap on this little bell and I can say, hey, remind me tomorrow, just hit the reminder. And tomorrow, this photo will pop up as a reminder. Maybe you want to buy it tomorrow and not today. You can just have an easy reminder like that. You can also add notes at the bottom here. You can add, remember to pick up this case. You can also add it to a collection of other screenshots. Maybe you're looking for multiple cases. You can add them all in one collection. So we've taken our screenshot. We know it's going to be in the Screenshots app or Photos. Now, what if I just want to print that screenshot? Well, so I'm in Google Photos right now. I'm going to go over to Collections. At the very top here, there's a folder that says Screenshots. Tap on Screenshot. Tap on the photo. Now, let's print this picture by upper right corner. Tap on the 3 dots. And then we're going to swipe to the left. And there's a printer all the way at the end. Tap on Print. And make sure your phone is on Wi-Fi. Make sure you obviously have a wireless printer that is connected to your network. And you're going to tap where it says Select a Printer. And right here, it's showing my Canon wireless printer. I'm going to tap on that. Now, I can tap the print button here to send this off to print. I can also tap on this drop-down arrow, and I can change the number of copies that print. I can change the color, maybe go from color to black and white. You have a lot of options here to manipulate how the print happens. So I'll go through all these options here, but essentially that's how you print a photo. Now, you can repeat those steps for any other picture on your phone as well. Now, next, let's go over how do we print an email. Let's go to our Gmail app. And I just so happen to be in an email right now for the new Pixel Buds Pro 2. Pretty sweet. Let's say I want to print this email. Go to the upper right corner, tap on the 3 dots, and we're going to go to Print. Now, though this web page is long, so sometimes it will take a bit longer for all the information to show up if you're printing a long document or section. We're going to go to Select a Printer, select the Canon printer again, and you'll see the picture of the email show up in this section. But again, it's a long email, so it might take a little bit longer for it to show up in this section. But once that photo shows up here, that little print button will show up. and that's what will allow you to print. All right, here it is. Our email is ready to go. Now, you can print all the pages of the email, or you might say, well, I really just want this first page that has the Pixel Buds on it. So notice there's a checkbox in the bottom right corner of each page, and I can uncheck the other pages so that only the first page is going to print, which is this one, and then I can tap my print button right here to send it to the printer. Now, lastly, let's go over how do I print a web page. Maybe instead of taking a screenshot of this, hey, I just want to print this whole web page. Upper right corner, tap on the 3 dots. You'll notice there is no print button. What do? Never fear. We're going to tap on the share button. And now our print button is here. So this is why I show how to print on these 3 different examples, because it's different for an email, it's different for a photo, and it's different for a web page. So for a web page, you hit the share button first, and then this comes up. I'm going to hit print. Follow the same steps, select the printer, and then give it a second to show up here. Now, one trick to get the image to show up faster to print, where it says, where it has the printer, tap here and tap Save as a PDF. And this makes the preview show up faster. Then switch back to the printer, and then you'll be able to print. All right, so pretty cool. I'm gonna end the video with just showing you my new case. Really sweet case I found on Amazon. I really wanted something that had good grip and a nice style. So this has a nice textured backing, and it has a really nice rigid grip on the edge here and right here. So this basically has taken a really slippery Pixel 9 Pro so much easier to hold now that it has a lot more grip. This is a Ringke case, and I'll make sure to drop a link in the description of this case as well, and a few other ones that I've been testing out. Love the style, love the grip, and it's making me feel more comfortable using my Pixel 9 Pro. And if you're not already a subscriber, hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more videos. Take care, and as always, have a good one.